Today we're talking about making repairs to your rental real estate. Why it's not necessarily a bad thing to put money back into your business. Here we go. And welcome back to REI Simplified. I'm your host, Adam Johnson, where we break down complex real estate situations and scenarios for people like me and you, the beginning investor. We had a little bit of bad news over the last couple of days. In a 3-day period, we had to replace 2 HVAC systems. Now, if you know anything about houses, HVAC systems are fairly expensive. Each of those properties units was about $6,250. So for $12,500, we're replacing 2 units in less than 1 week. That can hurt a little bit, but let's look at it a little bit differently, okay? Why it's not a bad thing and why we're not panicking. First thing first is tax write-offs. When you get into real estate and you start making a little bit of money, you're gonna need tax write-offs, okay? So you're gonna need to lower your taxable income. And with this purchase of the new units, we've now lowered our income by $12,500. Not a bad thing. My CPA is gonna like that. Secondly, we get new units with a 10-year labor warranty and repairs. So I'm gonna have these houses for the next 5, 10, 20 years anyway. I'm in no hurry to sell our rental real estate for many reasons. I've done a video about how rental real estate continues to be more and more profitable as the years go by. So I'm gonna keep these houses for years to come. I'm gonna have 2 brand new units under warranty for 10 years. Any issues, I simply call them the install team and they take care of it. So that's a great thing. Instead of having to piece together 1 coil pack at a time, one, compressor at a time, and that stuff adds up to more than $6,000 over the next 10 years. So it's a great thing that we are doing this now. And lastly, it makes the house more sellable. So when I go to sell this house, like I said, 5, 10, 20 years, maybe not 20 years, but let's say the next 5 or 10 years, right? Having the new units or newer units in the properties, it says a lot about the type of seller that we are, that we want to make everything right and that we want to have it, in good working order, not just try to skimp on everything and keep as much money as possible. It's not what we're doing this for. We're trying to make the house right, make it sellable, make that incoming buyer feel great about their purchase. Because when a inspector goes through the 5 main things that you're looking for in a property, at least that we look for, and most of when we sell houses, is what the feedback we get as well. The big 5 are the roof, the foundation, the plumbing, the electrical, and the HVAC system. So by having the HVAC system done, one less thing to worry about. The homes may need a new roof down the road. We'll take that money from the houses, put that money back into the properties. Now here's the beautiful thing about real estate, rental real estate. The houses always pay for themselves. I'm not paying for this. My tenants are paying for the house. The mortgage is less than the rent. We take that surplus, we put it aside, and this happens month over month over month after month. And it's a beautiful thing to see the money stack up. So rental real estate will always pay for itself. It may take a few more months, a few more years to catch back up, to break even, so that every month after that is profitable, but it's gonna pay for itself. So don't worry about putting money back into your business when you have rental real estate. You're going to get it back tenfold. I promise you that. It's going to help you with taxes, and it's going to give you the peace of mind that whatever you're fixing is done the right way and it has a warranty, and it also helps your tenants feel good about their landlord not trying to skimp on stuff. So as always, guys, my name is Adam Johnson. I'm the creator of REI Simplified. I hope you got something out of this video. It's a quick little video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share with a buddy. Why not? It's free. Until the next video, I really enjoyed talking to you guys. We'll see y'all later.